Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the makeup that YouTube has forgotten about. So these are the products that, we've all raved about, all loved them, and then, we move on to the next. It's like a cycle here. Kel and I did this video, I want to say like almost 2 years ago. It's been a hot minute. So I was having trouble and I just need Kelsey. Like I have to have her. So I called her, we brainstormed, and these are the items that we came up with. I know you guys want to see Kelsey on my channel. I do too. Like you guys just need to go hound her and make her come back down here. But she is with us in spirit. The very first product is from Marc Jacobs, and this is the Remarkable Foundation. This is not one that I got on board with. I do think it worked well. I don't even remember. It's been so long since I've tried it, but everybody loved this foundation so much. And yeah, I couldn't tell you the last time I saw somebody apply this to their face. Champagne Pop with Becca Cosmetics and Jaclyn Hill. This was a beautiful highlighter, but I literally saw it on just about everybody. I was working at MAC, people would come in with Champagne Pop on. I feel like everybody in the YouTube community was just Champagne Pop. Look, did another highlighter even exist? Because this is the only one that I ever heard about. But again, I don't remember, like even the last time that I picked this one up. This one makes me sad because I really wanted to try these, but I never got around to it. House of Lashes Iconic Lash. I have no idea why I never tried them because I always thought they were so pretty on people's eyes. But I think what happened was I stopped wearing lashes as much, but I saw these everywhere and they were so pretty. I kind of want this to make a comeback because I really liked looking at them. Just like people wearing them and they're like batting their eyes. I'm like, oh, they're so pretty, but I don't see them anymore. Another one that breaks my heart because this is such a good product. MAKEUPGEEK eyeshadows. What happened? What happened, you guys? Where did they go? Everybody was using these. Like literally everybody was using them and they just fell off the face of the planet. Like if you weren't using MAKEUPGEEK eyeshadows, what were you doing with your life? What happened to them? I need to know what happened to MAKEUPGEEK shadows. Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I loved this. Like this was my jam for a long time. I know what happened to this though. Tarte Shape Tape happened to this. It was like that concealer came out and pretty much every concealer on the market just died. Like they all just went to concealer heaven. MAC lipsticks. And this is another sad one because I feel like MAC in general has kind of died on the YouTube community. But MAC lipsticks are still one of the best, especially their mattes. They're still one of the best out there. To me, I think it's because of their colors. Like I think they just need to update their nudes need to be updated. Like everything all around. But they died. And I kind of think that the brand as a whole kind of lost things when they didn't start sending to influencers and they didn't kind of go with the social media theme. YouTube became huge, and if you weren't talked about on Instagram and YouTube, you just weren't a thing. And I think they're trying to play catch up right now. I am rooting for you, and I'm rooting for those lipsticks because personally, I love them. I mean, I gotta admit, I don't really grab for the MAC lipsticks a lot either anymore. RCMA No Color Powder. I'm glad this one died. I did not like it, and I've tried it so many times. I don't get it. It does not work for me. It's too drying. I feel like it does leave a white cast even though it's a no color powder. I don't know. I don't like it. And I don't like the little tube that it comes in instead of like a container. Everybody seems to love this except for me. So I'm fine with this being gone. Bye-bye. Like, I don't care. Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. Everybody loved this. It was like, I feel like in my head, at least, it was the first non-felt tip, a brush tip applicator that just worked so well. To me, I think that its biggest downfall is that it's not matte. And I think people really wanted a matte one. I don't even know what replaced it, to be completely honest. Like, are we still using liner pens or no? Benefit Professional. I didn't like this one either, not gonna lie. My pores are too big for the Professional to work. Like that's just a smoothing primer for your face in my opinion. Like I put that on my pores, you can still see my pores. It does nothing for me. So I think what happened to Porefessional is pore filling primers just got better. Like we have the Tarte one, we have the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, we have the Makeup Forever. Oh my gosh, what happened to Makeup Forever? Did they fall off the face of the planet too, or what? Farsali, Rose Gold Elixir, and Unicorn Drops. I mean, all you have to do is say Farsali, and I think about people dropping little things on their face, and it just, I don't like it. It creeps me out. So, I mean, from what I understand, a lot of people liked these, but then they just stopped using them, and I'm okay with it. Well, I mean, it doesn't matter. People are still dropping things on their face anyway, so what's the difference? And last, we have the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. This for me, I didn't like it anyway. Like, I just didn't like it. The scent was so strong and it lingered. It just stayed around on me all day long. Whereas the powder, like I put it on and then I don't smell it anymore. And then it was so thick. I've heard a lot of people saying that this foundation has broken them out, and maybe that's why a lot of people have stopped using it, because I swear I saw so many people applying this all the time and then it just stopped. And nobody really said why, except for a handful of influencers were like, you know what, this is breaking me out. But a lot of them just stopped. And we're like, no more updates about it. And that, you guys, is it for the makeup that Kel and I brainstormed on. Let me know down below. I hate it when in the comment section somebody brings something up. I'm like, oh, why didn't I think about that? But it's fun to kind of reminisce about them. So leave me the ones down below that you're thinking of. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.